In 2021, I lost my job during the COVID-19 pandemic. I was working as a project coordinator for the Botswana scholarship program that was run by the British Council Botswana. So basically, I was doing what I'm doing right now. I was helping students who were on the Botswana scholarship. The scholarship was sending students to various countries like Australia, Canada, UK, South Africa, and also locally in Botswana. And I was responsible for the students, for taking care of the students, helping them with admissions abroad, applying for university admissions and placement. I really loved the job. I really enjoyed the job. I really enjoyed what I did. Prior to the scholarship administration, I was an exams services officer. Still at British Council, I was dealing with international exams, enrollment of candidates, exam procedures, and all that. The whole exam process, I was responsible for that. I was the officer responsible for that, for the IELTS exam, the SIPS exam, all this Harriet Watt, all these international exams that are taken through the British Council. I was responsible for for the administration of the exam, and I really enjoyed it. It was a nice job. Unfortunately, I lost the job in 2021 because of COVID-19. There was no funding. Remember, this was a scholarship program, and there was a partnership between British Council and Botswana. So that means that if there is no funding, if more students are not sent abroad by the scholarship program, that means I don't have a job. I don't have anything to do because a lot of students graduated during the COVID-19. They were at the end of their programs abroad, so they had to graduate and come back home, and that means we were left with a very few students who were about to complete. So unfortunately, there was not much for me to do at the time, and I was let go. Like many other people, I had to rethink my life. I didn't know what was my next move, what I would do next, because I was enjoying the job. It was a lovely job, and I think I was also comfortable. I did not see that coming. Like many people, we did not see COVID-19 coming, and we did not anticipate the impact that it would have on our lives. So I lost my job, and then I had to rethink my next move. I was not sure of what my next move would be. So I decided to start an online business, which failed dismally. It failed. And then to ultimately discovering the Mauritius Africa Scholarship, MAS, and then applying for the first time and not not getting any feedback. Then applying the second time. I applied twice. The second time, I finally got the scholarship that changed my life. So in this series, I'll be sharing my journey from losing my job to starting a failing business to discovering the scholarship, preparing for the scholarship, applying, and eventually getting the scholarship and relocating to Mauritius. So I'll share my journey with you, and I hope that as I share with you, you will be inspired, you will be encouraged. Maybe you also lost your job during the COVID-19, or you are currently not working, you are unemployed right now, and you don't know what your next move is, or maybe you started a business that failed like mine. I'll share my story, and I hope my story will resonate with you and that you can find some motivation to try something else that might work for you. Try a scholarship, apply for a scholarship. You might get a scholarship to study abroad. So look out for the next coming videos where I'll be sharing in details about my experience of losing a job and finally getting a fully funded scholarship. And if you are applying for scholarships right now, please get the scholarship application tracker. It will help you to track your applications. It will help you to organize your applications, because when you are applying for scholarships, you have to be organized. If you are going to be randomly applying or just haphazardly applying, then you might not be successful. So get the scholarship application tracker and start tracking your scholarship applications. See you on the next video. All the best.